The second day of testimony in the Chad Zurlo murder trial took place in Fairbanks Superior Court today. Ryan Grimes has been covering the case and filed this report.
More witness testimony in the Zurlo murder trial today. Prosecutor Andrew Baldock and defense attorney John Bitterman are making their respective cases to a pool of jurors that will decide if 39-year-old Chad Zurlo is guilty of first-degree murder. The prosecution alleges that Zurlo shot his former boss, 52-year-old Stephen Corcoran, in the face after an argument. Zurlo and Corcoran were living together in an apartment when the shooting occurred. At the time of the incident, Zurlo's girlfriend, Serena Valier, was also living at the residence. She says she witnessed the shooting, which occurred in the couple's bedroom.
Steve started kind of puffing up and putting his fist, the one hand was holding the glass and the other one was kind of putting his fist up going, you know, am I making you mad? Go ahead and get mad, come at me. And then he stepped up to the bed, and it was at that point I looked up and I looked at Steve, and at that point his hand went down towards his side, and out of my peripheral vision, I saw Chad reaching over. I didn't know what he was reaching for. I didn't really know the gun was on the table at that point. The next thing I knew, he just grabbed it, pointed it, and shot.
During questioning, Valier confirmed that Corcoran had no weapons on him at the time of the shooting and that the only object he was holding was a whiskey cocktail drink.
He didn't tell you in the driveway that, holy shit, I thought I was going to get killed. He told you, I'm sorry, I snapped. Correct?
And he couldn't take it anymore.
Couldn't take it anymore?
Yes.
Okay.
During cross-examination, Valier testified that Corcoran threatened to shoot Zurlo with a gun several days prior to the incident.
There were continued arguments, right?
Yes.
Mr. Corcoran made other threats, correct?
Yes, sir.
At some point, you hear him tell Chad, I have a gun, right?
Yes.
He says, I have a gun too, and all shoot me.
Yes, sir.
Multiple Alaska State Troopers also took the witness stand today to confirm the scene of the crime and to help document evidence being used in the Zurlo case. More witnesses are expected to take the stand tomorrow morning. This is Ryan Grimes reporting.